This Shark UltraCyclone Pet Pro Plus model CH951 gives you multiple accessories and most importantly, a power pet brush. Customer reviews show much love to its modern design as well as streamlined details. We got this one for $80 on Amazon and it comes with a 2-year limited warranty. Let's open this up and give it a quick look. Welcome to ShouldIT Vacuum Cleaner series. Hello everybody, my name is Bê Nguyen and welcome back to ShouldIT Vacuum Cleaner series. In this video, we're going to unbox this cordless handheld vacuum to check out what is in the package when ordering one online. We're also going to give our first impression on the product's build quality, design, and features. So without further ado, let's get to it. There are quite a few accessories that come with the vacuum. There's this crevice tool, a brush tool, and a motorized pet brush for pet hair, which should be incredibly helpful for sofas, carpets, and rugs. And of course, a wall charger. The user manual has all the information about the features as well as how to use the product properly. Now when charging, the light here blinks, then stay solid when the charge is full. Now remember to charge the product for at least 6 hours before your first use. Let me just show you how the pet power brush works. You simply light it up like that. That's how you just would a normal extension tool. Push it in all the way. To power it up, press the power button. And press it again to turn off. Here's how to remove it. Just pull. There you have it. Let me also put on the other tools as well so you can see. Here's the crevice tool. Like that. Put it off. Here's the brush. Like so. Very easy and intuitive. The vacuum itself feels very high quality and the details are streamlined, which is always a good sign. To quickly open up the dust cup and empty out the dust, you push on this latch here and it releases. Let me do that again. Put it back in. Very intuitive design. To actually clean the filter, you have to remove the frame first. Down here is a button. Press this. There you go. From here you can remove the filter frame like that. And here's the filter. Let me put back in. Put everything back together real quick. There you go. You slide it in and it clicks. Very easy. Now let's give it a quick suction test to see how the product works freshly out of the box. We have here some cornflakes. Let's make a real mess. Here you go. Now suction feels great, but the balance is a bit off, but nothing too serious. Now the dust cup can be a little modest, but as you can see, the release mechanism is very easy and effortless. As far as first impression go, this is a pretty solid handheld vacuum with useful features and beautiful details. But that was only our first impression on the Shark UltraCyclone Pet Pro Plus CH951. If you want a more in-depth review, make sure to subscribe to the channel for upcoming videos and like or share videos if you enjoy them. You can buy from the link in our description if you're interested in the product to support our work. Thanks for watching ShouldIT, and we'll see you in the next one.